What's up, y'all? It is Spicy AF. I'm back with another spicy topic. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, follow me on X. It's Spicy AF and at SpiceTeaSpill on Instagram. Here is the picture. Subscribe and share. This girl done hit somebody else, y'all. Back in February 2024, Chrisean Rock went to the BET Awards and after party and came out with a lawsuit. This time she hit Iranian American BMF actress Rama Montakhabi. She better be glad that girl did not file criminal charges. Some kind of way, people are finding a way to blame Rama, and she's the victim. Now y'all know that Chrisean has been in jail since she went to go see Blueface in court and support him, took the baby. Come to find out, she gets locked up. Now the child, the baby, don't have parents present, so he's in the custody of CPS. This is not, how many now? So she had the Oklahoma that she has to answer to after she serves her 30 days for the James Wright suit. That's 2. And then she has one. I know there was a stylist that has sued her, but when it comes to criminal charges, we're looking at Oklahoma, we're looking at LA that she's in now. But then we talk about the lawsuit she has for assaulting people. We have Woe Vicky, that ex-stylist, and now we have Rama. And I could be missing some. She was just hitting people without even considering that she can get in trouble. She was 7 months pregnant when she attacked Rama. 7 months pregnant when she attacked this girl. So imagine you on the receiving end of getting hit by Chrisean. And Chrisean comes, she sneak attacks you while looking in your face. You don't see it coming. But she hit you hard. The girl, it can fight. And then imagine the girl 7 months pregnant, you at an event and you don't carry yourself in a ratchet way. And you have an image to protect and uphold. This 7 month pregnant girl hit you. What you gonna do? You gonna hit the 7 month pregnant girl? Or you in the moment gonna be scared, if I do hit this girl, I can go to jail and get in a lot of trouble. You're not gonna know what to do. So there's the emotional trauma. Because it does cause a traumatic problem. It does. The fact that the mental strain that you went through, and also the emotional strain that she put you through by hitting you and you can't hit her back. She says that she missed out on work opportunities, have scars, and she was embarrassed. She wants Chrisean to pay for her medical bills, and she's leaving this as a sanction. She wants the judge to determine the amount that she's entitled to for what Chrisean did. Rama is the victim of this unhinged, psycho little girl who does not know how to comprehend and how to ask questions. It just gives me Chrisean might think you said something, talk slick, or maybe even came at her boyfriend, Blueface. Even if she saw this girl comment under Blueface's post, even if this girl said, Blueface, what's up? Chrisean, she's no good for you. Any indication like that, that still don't give her the right to attack somebody. But I just don't think Chrisean knows that. I don't think she understands fully. I think she feels that it is fair because you mess with somebody who she deems her property. Legally, that's not gonna fly though. But I think due to her deficiencies, her family background, what's happened to her as a young person, not having the therapy to release, to heal, the proper skills, how to use proper ways of communicating, how to heal, you know what I mean? So she just don't have that. So I truly believe Chrisean thinks she's right in a lot of this. That's why she kept doing it over and over again. She thinks she should, and it's okay. Because there's no way you go to court and you got all these warrants and you done got on live talking about the DA, talking about the judge she's a fan of yours, and she let Blueface hold the baby. She made it seem like the judge was her fan. You show up at court and you gotta answer to Oklahoma. It's no way if unless you got a mental issue, sis. Alright, y'all. Here it is. Let's get into it.
Chrisean Rock done assaulted another girl. And this girl is from 50 Cent's show BMF. She is an Iranian American actress. Her name is Rama Montakhabi. She is suing Chrisean Rock, and let's get into the details of that lawsuit. Iranian American actress Rama Montakhabi has a beef to settle with rapper Chrisean Rock as she recently accused the 23-year-old of assaulting her. According to the legal documents obtained by The Blast, the TV personality best known for starring in the drama series BMF filed an assault lawsuit at the Superior Court of the State of California on February 21st, 2024. As you can recall, Chrisean had another assault case open at that time. She violated her probation and had to report to the court on March 15, 2023. So we're talking about a month before that, this girl filed her lawsuit. Her accusations included battery and emotional distress, which she claims occurred at last year's BET Awards after party. And that was 2023 because they just had a BET show in after party 2024. Montakhabi filed a complaint for several damages alleging inflicted by the lonely artist. Through her lawyer, she levied 5 severe allegations against Rock and Zeus Network, the platform responsible for the rapper's reality series Baddies. The actress accused them of battery, assault, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligent infliction of emotional distress, and negligence. She recalled the alleged horrifying experience with Rock that occurred on or about June 26, 2023 at the BET Awards after party. Although Montakhabi didn't share the full details of what transpired between them, she stressed the incident was brutal and happened without any provocation. Her recollection, per the document read, defending Chrisean Rock intentionally, willfully, and maliciously, without provocation and without the consent of the plaintiff, struck, attacked, assaulted, battered, tortured, and imprisoned plaintiff. That is her suit, y'all. Now, Chrisean is inflicting hits, striking people. She's hitting people. She's putting people through trauma. And in this particular case, they said Rama did not particularly tell the story. But what she said was she was emotionally traumatized. She was also in prison, which means that she was cornered and was not able to escape. She is also blaming Zeus Network because possibly the Baddies girls was there. They were possibly instigating the situation, talking in the background, egging Chrisean on, talking trash to Rama. It's the reason she's also blaming them. They were negligent with stopping Chrisean from bullying her, basically harassing her, and they are also negligent in stopping Chrisean from hitting her. These were people that were a part of Zeus Network. Let's talk about how you shouldn't be putting your hands on people, only because it's a crime. She said that Chrisean intentionally and willfully hit her. She wanted to hit her, and she did it by choice. She did it with force and by choice. And let's be clear, for those asking, because Rama did not tell us exactly the story, it makes people feel like, well, did Chrisean actually hit her? Yes, this is an assault lawsuit. Shout out to Dr. Phil, because I tell you all the time, I watch Dr. Phil religiously and I learned a lot. So when you talk about hitting people, talk about signs and symptoms of TBI, traumatic brain injury. Throughout life, you can have any of these symptoms. You may not even remember how you got these symptoms. You ever felt that way? You may not remember necessarily 6 years down the line, Chrisean in that incident. But what you will have to deal with are the side effects of it. And you may have to take some trips to the doctors because of headaches. Take some trips to the doctors because of some dizzy spells you may find. You may also be curious as to why you can't remember things. You may have some aches and pains in your neck area, in your brain, your head region, in your skull. You could even suffer from nerve damage. Other parts of your body being affected out of the blue, just out of nowhere, having nerve problems, nerve issues, pain, burning sensation pain, tingling pain, to the touch pain, because that's how nerves feel when they're damaged. That's how they feel. And although she was hit in a particular area on her body, the thing about nerves is there's so many, you might get hit on one side and you feel the nerve damage on a total opposite side that has nothing to do with the side you was hit on. That's how nerve damage work. This stuff is critical, and it happens a lot in accidents, car accidents and stuff like that too, because of the way your body rocks when you're hit in a car accident. Any type of sudden movement that causes the brain to rock and hit the skull. She's looking at the bigger picture, the overall time span. If I put you in jail, you're gonna get a slap on the wrist. You're gonna get a misdemeanor. But if I sue you, at least you're gonna pay for some of the damages that you most likely caused, rather now or later on in life, as I age, as I get older, as she wants to have kids. She wants to travel, execute, learn how to solve problems, learn how to talk it out, ask questions, and learn how to shut down anger, because you're going to have to pay for it.
So again, we have Vicky from Baddies, who she assaulted. She has a lawsuit pending for that. Then we have the ex-stylist when Chrisean was getting a photo at an event. She just stopped and punched the girl. And then we have James Wright not only pressed charges, criminal charges, but also a lawsuit for that. For a long time, we thought Chrisean would never be held accountable and face judgment. But she is. She's currently now seeing her karma. She's doing the 30 days. And then after the 30 days, she has to go to Oklahoma and answer to those drug-related charges. She was a fugitive, which does not look good when you're on the run. It's better to turn yourself in. But when you avoid it, that's the worst thing you could do. I keep telling y'all, the records speaks for us. These courts, these states, these people don't know us personally. Years from now, through time, they're looking at your record. Which your record says is what they see. That's how they're building a character profile. If it shows that you violated your probation, you had community service you had to do, and then not only that, you are a fugitive. You had a fugitive warrant on you from Oklahoma in a whole different state. If they see all these charges and see all these lawsuits for the same thing, you are building a character profile and telling the court, this is who I am and this is what I'm capable of. It doesn't look good. Does it look good for a parent to take care of a child with disabilities under the age of 1, under the age of 5 years old? And the dad is in prison for violating probation for what? Attempted murder. He violated his probation for attempted murder, y'all, where he had a gun. They don't take laws serious. They don't respect authority. It's very clear to the court, because again, the court is not interested in you on Blueface show. He's not interested on Chrisean's song online. The court is interested in your record that is speaking for you. It's telling them who you are. It shows that you have a violent temper. Blueface violated probation. Because I repeat this because the nigga got probation for attempted murder, y'all. And he violated. What do you think that tells the court? They had to take action. We have a man who is on the loose, who has pulled a GUN on somebody and shot. And he's caught on camera. He's caught on camera. Then they still gave you probation. Who gets probation after that? And you violate probation for that? Not only this with Blueface, then he's caught with meth in his cell. That means there's other people that are helping him commit crimes. How are these people telling the courts that they are capable of raising a baby with disabilities? And the fact that the baby has drug-related disabilities, it's not looking good for Chrisean Rock. So when we talking about Rama and y'all trying to blame, it's no ifs, ands, or buts. She is the victim here. It don't matter if the girl, Blueface got fans. Blueface he's a cute guy. He's young. And he's flirtatious when he wanna be. People see his issues he's had with Chrisean and Jaden. They see, first of all, 2 women. So that tells them he a player and they want to turn. So if that was the case, if they was flirting and you got upset or anything like that at that after party, that does not give you a legal reason to assault her. Now you have to deal with that lawsuit. There's so many lawsuits. Does she have the money that she needs? And just think about the uphill battle there is when it comes to her baby, who she loves. You gotta love your baby every time somebody pisses you off. You gotta love that baby and know that you need to be a present person in Chrisean Jr.'s life. Or while Blueface is locked up and Lil Baby is in custody, they all in state of custody. Even when Chrisean Jr., they all in. So they all in state custody. All 3. Chrisean, Blueface, and Lil CJ. All of them are in the state's custody. I'm pretty sure that the baby is in CPS. They have to. You think they can pull strings when all of this is caught live? It's caught live. Surveillance. Fugitive warrants for you. Meth in jail cell. They can't pull strings for that. They would be breaking the law that they are supposed to be governed by. Let me know what y'all think. Leave your comments, hit that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned because we got more coming. Peace.